Okay, I've fallen in love with this truck, so instead of destroying it, we're actually going to fix it up and put her on the road again. It's pretty much mint. As you can see, there's a couple holes in her. So what we've got here is some ramen noodles and spray foam. This stuff is great stuff, and it works pretty good too. As some of you may know, spray foam kind of holds on to moisture, so the ramen noodles just do a real great job of cleaning all that up. So basically, you just want to open up the door and stick these bad boys right up in there. Close her back up. Then you want to just get your spray foam, shake her up real good. And fill her full. Wow. The spray foam is just foam now. So we're just going to go ahead and stick that in there too. Okay, so we got our hole fixed. We got our ramen noodles and filled it full of spray foam. So let's go get a sticker. So they're just putting on my inspection sticker here. Alright, so we just got a fresh inspection sticker on her. And that's good till February 17th, 2022. Here's the slip. Okay, now that she's inspected, let's take her for her first run on the road, shall we? Now that she's inspected, let's take her for a little run. Now that she's inspected, let's take her for her maiden voyage. Oh no. Do we got any insurance on this thing? There we go. Got the insurance book here. We'll just rip out a sheet and leave it under the windshield wiper. Oh, that's not so bad. Yeah, they'll just buff out of there, right? Didn't even scratch the truck. Yeah, there goes the brakes completely. Well, that's how you stop then.